So let me reintroduce you to the Kaufman Trailers 25,000 GVWR 10-ton Pintle. This is one of the trailers that pretty much built Kaufman Trailers from the ground up. We've got that big heavy-duty Pintle on the front, adjustable 4-bolt setup, locked in with that 12-inch I-beam frame that's cold formed up into the tongue, which also provides a really large toolbox for chains, binders, everything that you need to carry to the job site, and it's also lockable. This one's shown with one of our 12,000-pound drop foot jacks. You've got a 6-inch channel side rail turned in to be able to run stake pocket and rub rail all the way down both sides. We've got this one set up with our two 10,000-pound Dexter oil bath axles under it, tandem dual setup. This one's got the 10 plies on it. You can see we actually played out over the wheels. This allows us to be able to get the lowest deck height possible by still allowing the axles to move around independently. The ramps in the back, this one's set up with our standard cleated ramps. As you can see, we got a nice spring set up under there, so it's not gonna kill you whenever you try to put these ramps down and put them up. It's actually got a bar on here so you could slide them in if you need them a little bit closer for small equipment loading. As I said, this thing is great to be able to haul more than one thing to the job site at a time. And this is a deluxe package. So like any of our good deluxe trailers, we're gonna do LED lights on them. They're gonna be recess mounted in rubber grommets, and you're gonna get a sealed wiring harness under there too, just to give you some nice longevity in that wiring. So I've got this one set up in a 25-footer, setting at 20+5. I can do a lot of different configurations on this trailer, all the way up to 35 foot. Just let me know what works best for you.